Hello everybody! In this video, we will be downloading and installing Node.js. But first, let's explain what is Node.js. So Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment. That means that you can run JavaScript server-sided. Well, generally, JavaScript is run client-sided, meaning that the code is actually shown. If you go to the developer tool, you can see that you can actually see the script tag, and if Google had some scripts inside this script tag, you could actually see it. But instead, Node.js runs JavaScript server-sided. That means that you can make JavaScript just like PHP. And PHP is a programming language or a scripting language that is run server-sided. You can make JavaScript get access to MySQL securely using Node.js, because the user or the client can't see the code because JavaScript is compiled server-sided. So let's go ahead and type in Node.js, and you can see that we went to nodejs.org, and you can actually download two versions. The current version, or the latest version, which is 10.6, and the recommended for most users version, which is 8.11. And because it's recommended, we're going to be using this and not this. Let's download the 8.11 version. And I'm not going to download it because I already have it. Let's click console and go ahead to the downloads file. If you haven't downloaded it yet, pause the video, download it, because I'm going to begin in the installation phase. Go ahead and click on the .msi file and click run. Make it like that. Click next. Accept the terms. Next. You can specify any path that you want. Next. Okay, so in here, it's going to actually add Node.js to path, which is the environment variable in Windows. And it's actually in the newer versions of Node.js, it actually includes the npm package manager, which we will be using to install our libraries and our JavaScript technologies later in chapters. So let's click next for now. Click install. Okay, it's installing for now and updating components. You can skip this part if you're like not into waiting or something like that. You can skip this part until it finishes, because I believe that it's gonna take a while for now. Or is it? Let's wait a little bit. Okay, it finished. Let's click finish, and now you have Node.js installed. How do you know? Okay, go ahead for git bash or for command prompt. Okay, and I'm gonna go for git bash here. And well, before that, let's actually explain another good feature of git bash. You can actually use git bash to open the current directory path immediately. When you press click right on the mouse, and then you click git bash here. Okay, let's go back to Node.js. You can know that Node.js is installed by doing the command node -v. It gives you the version of Node. You can see that the command line actually identified the command Node. And if you click npm -v, which checks the version of npm, you can see that it actually identified the npm command. So you can know that it has installed the Node.js. That's it for today's lesson, and thanks for watching.